All right, guys, so this is the new glove. This is called from a company called Sabo. And I contacted them because my buddy James told me that they're doing a lot of work with a lot of stroke patients. So the first device they gave me, we're going to be showing you a few devices, okay? So this is the first device, and it's called the Sabo Stretch. It says right here. I don't know if it's a stretch. Yeah, it does. Okay? And it holds my hand straight. You know how, like, stroke victims, their hand wants to curl up. Over the past 2 years, my hand's been kind of curled, and all the tendons and all the muscles are used to that, and they kind of form to that. So this is teaching my hand to be straight again. So what it does is it stretches out all the tendons and all the muscles, and you wear this I think 6 hours a day is what I'm wearing it at, okay? And you wear it every day for about 6 hours, and it retrains your hand to be in a natural position again. That's what this does, the Sabo Stretch. So it's stretching my fingers back out. And it's interesting, it's easier and easier every time I wear this thing. First time I wore it, my fingers got really sore because they wanted to curl. And the Sabo Stretch prevents it from curling. And so now my fingers are finally getting trained to staying stretched. They're starting to get used to it. This device has been working on me. If you know anybody who's suffering regarding stroke, this is the device to look into. Later on, we'll show you another glove that they're sending me that'll put electrical impulses through my arm and through my hand, and that's exciting. But this is the first step into getting my hand back to normal. So this is straightening it out. These straps are perfectly positioned. This thumb strap keeps my thumb straight, keeps it from curling in, everything. And then there's plates, different tension plates that go right in here that you can bend a little bit that will keep your hand stretched more and more depending on wherever your comfort level is. So I'm really impressed with these guys. They have doctors that know what they're doing. I'm sure they got engineers involved to help design this. This is one of the best Velcro straps I've ever felt on this device. So to wrap this up, this device so far, I've only worn it for 3 days. And so far today is the first day that I don't feel any pain or tension in my hand anymore. That's kind of gone away. I'll keep giving you updates on the Sabo Stretch. If you're interested in this device for a family member, contact Sabo. Great bunch of people, and they're working closely with me on my rehabilitation.